Next to join Forest River's campsite series is the all-new Campsite Elite, a fifth wheel lineup that delivers the same overbuilt practicality as its travel trailer and destination trailer predecessors. Built by Forest River exclusively for Camping World, Campsite Elite brings RVers an even smoother towing experience, upscale features, and generous storage, all with the same level of craftsmanship we've come to expect from Campsite, making it a top choice for those looking for an exceptionally balanced fifth wheel. Today we'll highlight key specs, top features, construction, and towing considerations for the Forest River Campsite Elite. The Campsite line is known for offering more than meets the eye when it comes to storage, and that hasn't changed with the introduction of their fifth wheels. These promise unique and thoughtful storage from front to rear cap. You can look for hidden storage in side tables and behind entertainment centers, strut-supported overhead cabinets, dedicated cubbies, entryway cabinets, and spots to place your shoes, linen closets, and large bedroom wardrobes, and that's just interior storage. Outside, Campsite Elite includes Vault Max pass-through basement storage for all your extra gear. In short, you'll find thoughtful storage choices across the Elite lineup that make extended trips and even full-time living possible for both families and couples. Another big Campsite theme, panoramic windows. Just like the Campsite Reserve and Ultra travel trailers and destination trailers, the Elite follows suit with extra wide, extra tall living room windows and a large window in the bunk room. The result is the ability to bring in an inordinate amount of natural light when you want your space to truly connect with the outdoors. But the Campsite Elite designers know that sometimes you want to keep the light out, which is why every window is equipped with full blackout shades. Finally, since Campsite's first travel trailer release in 2024, they've consistently included elevated practical features that improve life at the campsite. From glass rinsers to helpful handy hooks, you can count on Campsite for sometimes simple but always thoughtful upgrades. The Campsite Elite does that and more. Case in point, a projector and screen in the bedroom take movie night to a whole new level. Next up, you'll also get a Pure Source total water filtration system to guarantee clean water across all applications, and the list grows from there. You're looking at solid surface countertops, a paw pantry pet dining spot, a stackable laundry bay, and a 400-watt solar charging system, and these are all standard conveniences that again feel anything but standard. So yes, there's a lot to love already, but what kind of layout can you expect from Campsite Elite? Well, in its inaugural year, Campsite Elite currently offers two floor plans, the 36RF and the 32 BAM. But there's still a lot to be excited about. Let's take a quick look at each. The 36RF is an exciting mid-bunk floor plan that promises versatility and great utilization of space. While the floor plan may be familiar, the added details are anything but. In the rear living space, enjoy plush furniture and an entertainment center like you'd expect, but add in hidden pantry storage behind the TV, complete with hooks, shelves, and lighting. The kitchen island is versatile with a standing bar on one side, and you'll enjoy residential appliances throughout. Notable in the mid-bunk room is the cubby storage, easy drop bunk, convertible desk, and a loft above for extra storage. The extended countertop in the bathroom is a welcome addition, and as we've seen, the gem of the rear bedroom is that projector and drop-down screen comfortably enjoyed in your Camp King bed. Comparatively, the 32 BAM brings all those benefits of a rear living fifth wheel to a lighter, more compact floor plan. Ideal for couples who want to enjoy a rear living space with comfortable furniture and great entertainment options, this fifth wheel delivers thanks to dual opposing slides. The kitchen island and coffee bar and hutch area make meal prep and cleaning a cinch, and a third slide out in the primary bedroom provides plenty of room to walk around the Camp King bed to access the spacious front wardrobe, with its sister washer-dryer prepped closet right nearby. Indeed, these are exciting floor plans, but how are these fifth wheels built? Well, Campsite Elite serves families and couples looking for an expanded space that is easily towable and built to last. In terms of construction, that's where the Elite really shines. Built on the upgraded, rust-resistant X9 Titan chassis, you can guarantee protection against corrosion, particularly in harsher environments where moisture or road salt are a lot more common. This is the backbone of the fifth wheel, complete with embossed and stamped cross members and outriggers to maximize strength. In addition, Elite comes with an upgraded ultra-ride suspension and helix coil cushion pin box for a smoother, superior ride that reduces chucking and other vehicle strain. The trio of the X9 chassis, ultra-ride suspension, and coil cushion pin box ensures stability, durability, and comfort. In addition to that rugged chassis, Forest River delivers added durability by pinch rolling its laminated sidewalls. That process disperses the glue more evenly to every inch of the wall's components. When done in a reliable environment, this helps prevent bubbling and reduces the chances of any delamination. Other noteworthy Elite construction features include a 400-watt solar package, rear sight wireless view assist, and mirror-tinted solar reflective windows to help maintain cool temperatures, along with the Elite's CoolStream dual 18,000 BTU Furion Zone AC system paired with the high-efficiency Mach-tastic fan turbo ventilation system. The Campsite Elite is built to last, and its improved suspension makes for smooth towing. When deciding if it's the right rig for your tow vehicle, we always recommend consulting your owner's manual, and you can always check our towing guide to determine your towing capacity as well. All you have to do is plug in your vehicle's year, make, model, trim, or VIN number to learn what you can tow. That said, here's a quick snapshot of the Ultra's towability. Pending your floor plan selection, Campsite Elite models weigh between about 10,700 and 13,000 pounds unloaded. Factoring in their cargo capacities, we're looking at gross vehicle weight ratings ranging from about 13,500 to roughly 16,600 pounds. Factoring in those ratings and pin weights ranging from roughly 1,900 to 2,600 pounds, these fifth wheels require a serious tow vehicle. You'll want a 3/4 or 1-ton pickup like a Ford F-250 or 350, Ram 2500, 3500, or Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra, again 2500 or 3500 for safe and confident towing. Always verify your vehicle's tow capacity and consult our towing guide before hitting the road. And that's that for the 26 Forest River Campsite Elite, a new fifth wheel from a trusted newcomer making big waves in the towable space. If you like the Campsite Elite, simply use the link in this video's description to learn more and to see where you can view these floor plans in person, or of course, you can always stop by your nearest Camping World. Thanks for watching. I'm Ian Baker, and until next time, we'll see you.